Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. It's already 9 o'clock. I started a bit later, but that's okay. Because we have our coffee in the X Ronin Labs cup, and we have our charts. So let's get to it. Okay. So on the weekly, start here and zoom in. Let's go to the 2-weeker. Momentum still coming up. Looks like we could start by the end of next week clipping. This week, we wanted looks like we want to, at the end of this week, start to print a red dot. The red dot will start to show, looks like, at the end of this week. If not, sometime this week. Okay. VWAP is curving. It could cross over. Will it cross over? Where's an example? I'm sure there was one. Oh, right there. Or will she continue to curve up? She continues to curve up. Expect price to keep going up. I'm sure back here. Yes. She was coming down. She curved up. And you saw what happened. Okay. Are we going to see that here? I don't know. We will have to wait and see. Let's go to the 2-day. Momentum coming down. Your RSI is tight, coming down. VWAP has crossed over. What is she gonna do? Money flow starting to flatten off there. Okay, we could see a cool down. Let's go down here to the daily. I know we have bearish divs on them dailies. Not really so much on the 2-day though. Not really so much on the 2-day. Okay, let's go here to the daily, where I believe this bear div right here is playing out as we speak. Let's see. I saw her printing last night, or yesterday. She still has 8 hours to confirm that red dot. Who knows, a ton of money could come into the market and completely invalidate it. That's why we wait for confirmation. If you want to short this, you wait for it to confirm. See, looks like we wicked down to our golden pocket there. Money flow curving off on the daily. Divergences still thick, still real thick, still a lot of money there. Divergences on your momentum. VWAP has crossed over, coming down. RSI's red, tight, curving down. This chart looks like we could see some cool off. How much though, with as much money is in the market? That's to be determined. Till this money flow starts coming out a bit, I'm sure these divergences will not play out as strong on these higher time frames, it seems like. Let's go to the 8 hour. Split the daily in half actually. Divergence, VWAP down, money flow is coming out aggressively, seems like. Coming down to the golden pocket. Where did I draw this from? I know this was a local. In here. There is that golden pocket there. Money flow is coming down. VWAP has crossed over. The bearish divergence is playing out. You can see you have your red dot. It is playing out. Now then, are we gonna 12 hour, are we gonna curve up and put a green dot right here somewhere? with VWAP crossing over, and then come up to put in smaller momentum waves, maybe catch a bounce off of this golden pocket. Perhaps. See what the 8 hour. The 8 hour divergences playing out as we speak. They are playing out as we speak. Within this range, right here, price is coming up to the point of control. Or we may be losing the point of control, as a matter of fact. Because if price opens where it'll, 37. Yeah, see, that's even higher because we're at 37.20. So price opens up below this range area, you can assume we'll come back down to our value area low, unless we can flip it back up. But more than likely, with all the divs, money flow coming out on the higher time frames, you can expect a move back down to maybe these levels. Or maybe you don't even go back down because you see you are putting in higher highs. You could just come down to the golden pockets, put in a higher highs, excuse me. Yeah, well technically, yeah, higher highs, but we're talking about the lows. So higher lows, you see, put some in around this golden pocket and continue to put in higher highs, even with the divergence, because money flow starting to curve up. Indeed, curve up on the 8 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, she makes a lot of noise. It's like we are wanting to see. Perhaps we can be putting in pretty good bottom. That wave is coming deep. We will see how deep she comes. We have 30 minutes left on the 4 hour. Money flow is coming out. VWAP has the curve to the downside, it looks like. Looks like it's going to go down. We could be printing a bottom signal for this move down. Around this golden pocket, that would make sense. Even a little bit below it, you would still put in a higher low to maintain your bullish market structure until we flip the bullish market structure on higher time frames. I'm not leaning too bearish. Some downside, baby, but not bearish by any means, because this is definitely still bullish market structure. Now let's go here to the 2 hour, cut that 4 hour in half. Yeah, see, very deep momentum wave coming here. So if I had to guess, we are putting in higher lows so we can put in higher highs. That would be my guess, indeed. And then the 1 hour, what is she telling us? Pretty deep bottoms, bullish divergence, VWAP crossing over. You have your RSIs low, green, looking like they want to curve up. This could be your chance for 30-minute ends in 1 minute. This could be your chance. Coming down to the golden pocket perfectly. Pay attention to this. This is your trade. Key support, bullish divergence, VWAP crossing over, RSIs looking to curve up, green, money flow curving up. Money flow could actually be coming straight down, indeed. Front run it, because she could come down some more, but that's why you go down here to your lower time frames. But that looks like a beautiful trade. That is classic. Look at this. Look at this. Your 5 minute up, 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 up. Money flow coming up. This is the trade. On the 1 hour. This is the trade. Boom. Yeah. I'm going to be trying to get into that one off of this 5-minute money flow crossover. That's what we'll be looking for, the 5-minute money flow crossover that lines up with the VWAP crossover. We had a beautiful one yesterday, right here, and I missed it, but that's okay, because there's always more trades. This is a basic strategy for Market Cipher. Look at this, everything going up, money flow going up, VWAPs are going up, and then what happens? You get your final divergence, you get your VWAP crossover. You could have front run that fucking money flow to the green, but look what happens when everything lines up. Your RSIs curving up, green, VWAP has crossed over on your green dot. You see, VWAP crossed over with your green dot. You are putting in divergences. Everything is saying up. You could have front run the money flow into the green, because even off the divergence and the VWAP, you get a small move up. Look, boom, boom. You get in on the green dot, pull the trigger. Now you're right here on the money flow. What happens when money flow goes into green? She takes off. Just messed up that fib. She takes off. So that is what we are looking for again. And then boom, right here you get your bearish divergence. You have your money flow coming down. VWAP's been crossed over, but that bearish divergence, you could have played it on the VWAP crossover and caught your move back down. Pay attention. Holy cow, caught a real move back down. Pay attention. That is the trade I will be looking to get into, is the money flow crossover on this 5-minute time frame, because that is looking juicy. That is looking just like it did back here. Just like it did back here. Juicy, juicy, juicy. She finally gets that final divergence with the money flow coming up. That VWAP crossover. You saw what happened. That is what we are looking for. I think CryptoFace on the 4-minute took something just like that a day or two ago. Could this have been it? I think it was this one. But he showed us. He said, this is it, guys. This is exactly what you fucking want. When you see anything like this, money flow about to cross into the green, what happens? Just boom. She takes off. Momentum coming up. Tons of green dots. RSIs close together. Green. Curving up. You can't get any better. Just saying. So it was way back there. But anyway, he pointed one out. Very similar to what we saw here. And now to what we are seeing here. But it's even better because we have our golden pocket support to coincide with everything we have going on with Market Cipher B. Right? So if we can get that money flow crossover with the VWAP crossover soon before, and the green dot right here around these areas, the green dot, that money flow crossover is gonna bring us back to the next move. Even on the bullish divergences, you see the bullish divergences with the VWAP crossover. Boom. Classic divergence. They play out. They always play out. Even in this uptrend, they have played out to some sort of degree, as they are continuing to do so now, actually. So yeah, lower time frames, we could just be putting in higher lows, honestly. Let's go back to the 4-hour. Higher lows for the 4-hour, and then higher highs to continue upwards. We will wait and see. We will see what the week looks like. Actually, looks like everything's in the red. Let's go here to these heat maps. A bunch of red. Everything in the red. Okay. Let's see what stocks are doing. And a couple winners. I see a lot more red than green. And a lot of gray. Down. Amazon's up. Well, that's to be expected. I guess any retail should be up right now during the holidays. And a lot of red. Okay, sorry. So we could be getting a bounce from this golden pocket to put in higher lows and then continue to put in higher highs. We will wait and see. Hopefully I will be able to get in on this 5-minute money flow crossover into the green. I will be longing. I will definitely be putting in a nice schlong right here. See how it plays out. Hopefully I can share some good results with y'all later today. But that should do it for me. I hope everyone has a good day. May God bless everybody and keep your family safe. That will do it for me. I'm out.